Hello guys, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we will start with Parseval's theorem. So Parseval's theorem states that the total average power present in a periodic signal is always equal to sum of average power present in each and every harmonic component. So we can write it states that the total average power present in a periodic signal is always equal to sum of average powers present in each and every harmonic. Component. Mathematically, we can write that power of any signal x is 1 by 2t minus t to t mod xt whole square dt, or this we can write as minus t by 2 to t by 2 mod xt whole square dt. This will be same as k minus infinity to infinity mod ak whole square. So this is our Parseval's theorem. So let us see proof of this theorem. We know power of any signal xt is given as one by t integration minus t by 2 to t by 2 mod xt whole square dt. We can rewrite this as 1 upon t minus t by 2 to t by 2 mod xt whole square can be written as xt multiplied with x conjugate of t. Now this xt can be written as synthesis equation of continuous time Fourier series. Xt is summation k minus infinity to infinity ak e to the power jk omega naught t. I have written xt as in the form of continuous time Fourier series coefficients multiply with x conjugate of t dt. Now we can write, as we can see, this integration and summation both are linear operations, so we can interchange these both. So we can write it as summation k minus infinity to infinity ak. Here I am taking this ak outside, so I am taking this ak outside, and the remaining things are 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to t by 2 x conjugate of t e to the power jk omega naught t dt. Okay, so we know that this is A conjugate of k, because we know what is AK. AK is 1 by t integration t xt e to the power minus jk omega naught t dt. So a conjugate of k is, conjugating both the sides, this will be x conjugate of t, and conjugate of this will be e to the power jk omega naught t dt. So by comparing these, we can see this is AK conjugate. So it means now this will be summation k from minus infinity to infinity AK multiplied with A conjugate of k. K minus infinity to infinity AK multiplied with A conjugate of k, which became, this is power of xt summation k from minus infinity to infinity mod AK whole square. Hence, Parseval's theorem is proved. Now, let us see some example. So, a question is given as, consider the periodic pulse train and we have to find its Fourier series coefficients. Okay, so let us stop this module here. In subsequent module, we will see these examples.